so much stuff that you can do for, you know, planning up front, collaborating with your clients, you know, producing access roadmaps, exhibits. I like all the templates that I got. You know, there's probably, I don't know, 8 or 9 or 10 templates that come with the program, that every one of them look professional. You know, I like it how you can put your, create your own legend right there. It gives you a go-by. You edit that legend to match your line type that you've got on your screen that you used already. You know, it just looks good. It looks real good, professional. Matter of fact, I'm in a building with 9 stories. You know, I'm the survey department. We got engineers and everything else. You know, architects, you name it, we got it. So a lot of the engineer guys, when they're doing some bidding on projects, they'll use my exhibits from TNP to put along with the proposal every time for a survey. You know, I write a scope of work, you know, for every function that we do towards the project and survey side. So, they use my exhibits. Those exhibits come straight from my templates from the TNP. You know, we do a lot of like underground utility sweeps and that kind of stuff. You know, so I can show them, you know, the areas that's going to be, you know, hydrovac and showing the different lines come in. I've brought in from, you know, from shape files or KMZs or DXS I can export out to, but all those lines I can put in there, color code, label them, put in my legend. I can import the logos, you know, from the different clients, you know, from the web base, put them in there, insert them in on the drawings. Like I said, just looks professional. I've been using TNP for a long time, and it seems to me it's getting better and better.